Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add phone number to Microsoft account. The first thing to do is to log into your Microsoft account, and then all you have to do is to sign in. If you have a valid email address, you can now start register, but if you have an existing account, all you have to do is to sign in here. So since I have my existing account, all I have to do is to tap the sign in option, and then here, all you have to do is to tap this your info. And then once you tap this one, it will take you directly to these options here. So scroll down and look for account information where you can see the email address and phone number. So you have to edit account info here. Now, to change or to add your phone number, all you have to do is to tap the phone number there and then fill in or type your phone number. First, you have to select the country where you're living and then enter your phone number. Tap next and then enter the code that they sent to you to make sure that you're the one who's using your Microsoft account. And to verify, you have to enter your password for your account. And then once done, click next. Now here you can add, change, remove your phone number to Microsoft account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in our next video.